Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to rename a spreadsheet in Google Drive using your PC. Whether you need to update a file name for better organization or simply want to change something that doesn't quite fit, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is where all your files are stored, and it's the starting point for renaming any spreadsheet. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the spreadsheet you want to rename. You can easily find it by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top. When you spot the spreadsheet, look for the 3 vertical dots next to its name. This icon represents the options menu for that specific file. Click on those 3 dots and a menu will appear. Here, you'll see several options, but what you want is rename. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up allowing you to enter a new name for your spreadsheet. Now, type in the new name that you'd like to give your spreadsheet. Make sure it's something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later. Once you're satisfied with the new name, click OK to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully renamed your spreadsheet in Google Drive. This simple process not only helps keep your files organized, but also makes it easier for you and others to find what they need quickly. Remember, renaming files is a great way to maintain clarity in your document management system. If you're collaborating with others, giving your spreadsheets clear and relevant names can enhance teamwork and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to rename any spreadsheet in Google Drive effortlessly. Happy organizing!